Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Anker Nebula Cosmos Max 4K projector. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $1,700. Now I know what y'all getting ready to say. $1,700? Good Lord, that's a lot of money. I know, I said the same thing. But check this out. Shout out to my homies over at Anker. They hit me with a discount code. So if you like this projector, you can get it for $400 off. So that's going to bring the price down to $1,300. And on the side note, if you don't care about a 4K projector and you don't mind missing out on some of the features, you can get the regular Cosmos. That's going to run you $800. With the discount, save you $200, and you're going to pay $600. So to recap, the Cosmos Max after the discount, $1,300, and the regular Cosmos, $600. So watch this video, see what you like, make your own decision. All right, so let's go through the features real quick. Now this is a 4K projector. Now the brightness is 1500 lumens. You got adjustable size up to 150 inches is the max. All right, so think about that. You got a big 70-inch TV in the crib. You could double the size using this projector. Now you got HDR10 plus HLG. That's hybrid log gamma. That's going to give you superior picture quality. You got quad speakers. That's going to give you Dolby Digital Plus. And you're getting true 3D audio. Now it's running Android TV 9.0. So that's going to give you access to over 5,000 apps. You got Chromecast, screen mirroring. The projector is made out of an aluminum frame with the LED starlight top. All right, so all of that for $1,300. Let's see what it is. And on the side note, happy Father's Day to all of the real fathers out there. Let's get busy. All right, so let's make sure we didn't miss any features. Nebula Cosmos Max, Android TV. Now this has Google Assistant, dive into 4K visuals, and Dolby Audio. Okay, let's see. 4K, go beyond HD, brilliant in black, splendid in color, 1500 lumens brightness, effortless in motion, dynamic smoothing. You got sensational sound all around, Android TV, that's 500,000 plus movies and shows. You got keystone correction. Enjoy a squared stable image even when the Cosmos is positioned at an angle. Now you got autofocus, digital zoom, designed for versatility. Okay, $1,300. Let's go ahead and unbox this. All right, so here's what you get in the box. You got your projector. You got your quick start guide, usual books and shit. Plug and file them to the side. Here's the remote control. Now here's a closer look at the buttons. Nebula branding. You get some batteries for the remote. And you get your plug. So one end, 3 prongs. And this is the end that goes into the unit. Now for the projector itself, the quality on this is beautiful. All right, it's a nice heavy weight. It's made out of aluminum. These are your projector lenses on the front. On the top, you're going to have some LED starlights. We're going to power those up in a minute. 360 sound, perforated all the way around. On the back, here's the power button. Here's your IR receiver. You got your plug input. You got 2 HDMIs. You got 2 USBs, so you can insert a flash drive if you want. And you got your optical audio input. Simple enough. All right, so let's go ahead and power this up so you can see those beautiful LEDs on the top. All right, one more thing. On the bottom, you got 4 rubber stoppers. That's going to keep it in place, and it does have the thread, so you can mount this to your ceiling or to a tripod. All right, so I just dimmed the lights real quick. I'm going to hit the power button so you can see the beautiful LED starlight top. Here we go. Check that out. It says Nebula, and look at the starlights. This is beautiful. All right, so now that I got everything set up, let's go through some of the features. Now you can download the Nebula Connected app and use your phone as a remote control. Or you can use the regular remote, which I'm going to use right now. So you got your Google Voice search. Now as far as the apps preloaded, you got YouTube and Google Play Movies and TV. Now you can download as many as you want. So here's my YouTube search. Now here's some of my Google apps. You got Tubi, HBO Max, YouTube TV, ESPN, Paramount Plus, Crunchyroll, Now, Haystacks News. You got MLB. You got Discovery Plus, iHeartRadio, Pluto TV. I mean, the list goes on and on and on and on and on. You also got Spotify. You got Pandora. And you got your Facebook. You can also customize your channels. Now, one of the things that really blew me away about this projector is the sound quality. The sound quality is amazing. All right, so let's take it over to YouTube. I'm gonna pull up one of my test videos. Listen to the sound and look at this picture quality. This is a 4K projector. That sound quality is incredible. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and skip a little bit to one of my favorite parts. Listen to that. This is amazing. Let's go. All right, so now let's try screencast. I'm gonna hit the cast button. And the cast right from the phone to the TV. Beautiful. And this is one of my videos playing right from the phone to the projector. All right, so here's how it looks. That sound quality is crazy. I am loving this one. I'm really loving this too. Let's keep it moving. Now the Alcantara, that was more of a luxury feel. All right, so now let's do a voice search from the remote control. Flossy Carter YouTube. Bang, there it is. All right, 2 million subs, let's go. All right, hold on, let me see. All right, let's take it over to the beats. Woo! Okay, hold on. Right there. Hold on. There it is, yep. All right, this is sick. All right, this is sick. Let's go back home. Let's go back home. Y'all don't want to hear me sing it again. All right, so overall, matter of fact, let me take it over to the settings real quick just so y'all can see what's on deck. So you got your network settings. Now, if you notice why my internet is a little bit choppy, I'm up in my attic. You got your projector settings. Let's hit that real quick. All right, so you got picture settings, cool, wall color, keystone correction. You got zoom, autofocus, projector mode on auto. Let's hit back. Let's see, you got audio settings. Okay. Now you can connect the Bluetooth speaker if you want. You got Bluetooth speaker mode, you got HDMI, you got apps, device performance, remote accessories. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap this up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Nebula Cosmos Max a major go. Trust me when I tell you, you can't see the picture quality through this YouTube video, but it is beautiful. The build quality is amazing. I love the little starlights on the top. Like I said, the picture quality, stunning, but most importantly, the sound quality is gonna blow you away. Now, I thought for sure I was gonna have to use a Bluetooth speaker on the side. Not at all, all right? The sound quality alone makes this worth every penny. Anyway, Nebula Cosmos Max, this is a triple major go. I'm officially into the projector game now. I am loving this unit. I can't wait to take it outside and project it to my backyard wall. I'm going crazy this summer. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spot one to beam up. Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you're part of the money team.